Hi teacher, my name is Kathleen Mayra. My surname is Luna Pizarro. Study at University Señor de Zipan. I am 25 years old. I live with my parents and husband and daughter. My mother name is Rose. My father name is Fred. My husband name is Jose. My daughter name is Genesis. She have 3 years. I have 2 brothers, Luis and Richard. I am from Peru. I live in Madrid, Spain. My favorite number is 4. My favorite countries: United States, Japan, and Spain. My favorite object is studying periodismo, working as a nurse in the Spanish Navy. That's all, teacher. Thank you. Bye-bye.